lying trap decompressor. So you're going to lay on your stomach, hands kind of like on top of each other, or even interlinked, whatever you're comfortable with. All right, so you're gonna be here, hands go like that. Rest your forehead on top of your hands and relax. All right, feel the tension leave those traps. Take a deep breath in, let it out. Thinking about your body getting long, your shoulders relaxing. And you're going to take those deep breaths in and let them out for the prescribed amount of time. If you don't feel your shoulders relaxing, don't change your hand position. Kind of let that forehead just relax and your neck relax. All right, that is the lying trap decompressor.